CapIntel Investment Proposal Platform App Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. CapIntel is designed for creating and managing investment proposals, primarily for financial advisors and professionals. Most people get this wrong by assuming proposal tools are all the same, but CapIntel offers tiered plans that scale with features. The basic plan gives access to proposal templates, client data management, and standard reporting. It's suitable for solo advisors or small teams just getting started. The professional plan, typically per month, unlocks advanced analytics, custom branding, integration with CRM systems, and automated reporting. This tier streamlines workflows and enhances client engagement. Enterprise plans provide multi-user access, API integrations, and priority support, catering to large advisory firms needing full customization and team collaboration. In conclusion, CapIntel pricing is transparent and feature-driven. From basic proposal tools to fully integrated solutions, each plan aligns with your needs and team size, ensuring you pay only for the capabilities you require.